Hello guys, welcome back to Beauty Over 50. Yes, I am coming to you guys with a different kind of video today, more like a DIY video. Basically, what you guys are seeing in front of you is my huge canisters that I had for years. So basically, I'm getting rid of those, but I did decorate one of them, and I will be decorating the other one for my auntie. So they came clear like that, and that's how I decorated the clear container. So I'm giving those to her, and what I did, because my kitchen is so small, I went and got three small little canisters, which I'm getting ready to show you guys in a second, and they cost me $3, and I made glammed up the canisters of my liking at home. So let me show you guys that. Let me move this out of the way here. And the little canisters that I did make to save space in my kitchen. I do have to finish coloring in the letters. This one is already done. The sugar, the flour, and let me move this back a little bit more. The cornmeal. That is saving me so much space, guys. Yes, I did do a video on this DIY, and I messed around, guys, and deleted the footage. So that's why I'm just coming on here and sharing my DIY. It's already made, and just wanted to share with you guys. If you guys do have a small apartment or a small kitchen, you can always glam up something and to save a little space. So yes, after I took those huge containers down and replaced them with these, I have a lot of cabinet space, and I think they came out pretty okay, guys. So just stay tuned, guys, for the next video. Like I always say, keep your head up high, go for what you want, speak your truth, and change starts with us, guys. So I will connect with you guys in my next video. I hate it. I lost that footage. I really hated that. But I will be connecting with you guys very soon, because I do want to show you another